Hello everyone, inviting all of you to the video series of Expert in Python Automation using Pytest-Playwright. My name is Rajesh. If you are here, you are probably ready to elevate your skills and take a deep dive into the world of efficient and scalable automation testing. You are in the right place. In this course, we will explore how Python is combined with the Pytest framework and Playwright tool, which will help you to create robust, reliable, and maintainable automation scripts. Whether you are automating web applications or enhancing your testing capabilities, this course will provide the expertise and hands-on knowledge to level up your game. We will start with the basics to ensure a strong foundation and then progress to advanced concepts like parallel execution, handling complex scenarios, and integrating best practices for real-world projects. By the end, you will not only be confident in building and executing test automation frameworks, but you will also have the skills to impress in any professional setting. So get ready to code, test, and automate like a pro. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and unlock the power of Python automation using Pytest Playwright. Let's dive in.